The National Economic and Development Authority, or NEDA, says the government was successful in keeping the nation's inflation rate within the target range for 2024. NEDA explains the inflation rate last year is much lower than the 6% recorded in 2023. Secretary Arsenio Balisacan disclosed, despite the challenges in 2024, government's effort to tame inflation were largely successful and that government eyes to continue such momentum this year. Also, the Marcos administration
for 15 years. He shares that life at sea is no easy task, facing tough work conditions while being away from family and his home country.
Mga trabahante kami sa barko na pag may mga problema sa makina, kailangan po talaga naming tutukan hanggang maayos. Na minsan po lumalagpas po talaga dahil po sa operation, pag Pasko, Bagong Taon na masaya sa Pilipinas, dun mo maalala na napakahirap palang wala ka sa mga ganong panahon.
Arvin is just one of the estimated 600,000 Filipinos relying on the maritime industry for their livelihood. To ensure the rights and welfare of Filipino seafarers, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. witnessed the signing of the implementing rules and regulations of the Magna Carta of Filipino Seafarers. The measure aims to secure seafarers' rights to act.
Nasa likod ninyo, naglilingkod upang higit na maitaguyod ang inyong seguridad, dignidad at karapatan.
The law also ensures the repatriation of seafarers in case of illness, accident, or contract completion. Seafarers must be members of the SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig to receive insurance, housing, and retirement benefits. Families of seafarers will be granted counseling, financial support, legal assistance, and other forms of aid. The Magna Carta also promotes quality of training to enhance the career growth of seafarers, including women in the industry.
Ang hakbang na ito ay hindi lamang nagbubukas ng pagkakataon sa industriya. Ito rin ay sumasalamin sa ating dedikasyon sa mas progresibo at mas pantay na patakaran sa industriya ng maritime.
To address their needs, the government will establish a one-stop shop for seafarers. President Marcos Jr. also directed government agencies to ensure full implementation of the law.
Ito po ay simula lamang ng mas matatag at maliwanag na kinabukasan para sa ating mga marinong Pilipino at sa kanilang mga pamilya. Sama-sama nating itaguyod ng bagong Pilipinas kung saan ang bawat manggagawa kasama ng ating mga marino ay may seguridad at matiwasay na kinabukasan.
From PTV Manila, Kalezal Pardilla, Balitang Pambansa.